What's up, YouTube? All right, Ben Brubaker back at you here. Okay, I haven't even put a video up of my X-Max running on YouTube yet because, you know, everybody's doing huge jumps on YouTube. And is the camera look okay on me, dude? Am I in the camera? Sorry, my son is sitting on the couch. And he's going to adjust the camera for me. No, are you trying to turn it? Okay. You go up, untwist the knob that your hand's on. There you go. Okay. What's up, YouTube? So, I haven't even done a running video of the X-Max yet. So, it's okay. It's gonna happen. But I need to get a little more familiar with it and all that. Because I mean, there's other YouTube videos, people jumping this thing, you know, 20 feet in the air, or 60 to 70 feet in length. So, you know, what I do with my X-Max isn't really impressive right now. So, I thought I would do another unboxing. There's some people that are just gonna be like, what in the crap? So, without further ado, wait 1 second and I'll be right back with the box. Okay, everyone. Boom! There it is. Slash 4x4 VXL brushless with audio. Audio. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, this is the four-wheel drive VXL with audio. Comes with a nickel metal hydride. It's a 1/10 scale. And I got it because I don't know. I think it'd be cool to race them. And this is the one that they have a class to race, is the Slash. It's an actual the actual short course truck. So like I said, most places have a class for it. They don't really have too much of a class for the Stampede, and then obviously the X-Max. So, all right. So we're gonna do this unboxing. Oh, 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 she's right there. Cool. All right. Controller's down here in the box. There's the controller. Alright, we got our box of goodies, which is our quick start guide, some foams for the batteries, a high-speed pinion gear, a little baggie of tools, stickers, nothing major, nothing crazy. Alright. Here we go. Boom, baby. Here's my short course truck. Oh, the speakers are actually on the inside of the lid. I don't know if you can see that, but speaker up front and a speaker up back. That's actually cool because it'll strengthen it a little bit, but I don't know. We'll see how that goes. I don't know. So here we go. Here's the Slash. It's pretty much like very comparable to my Stampede, but a little bit different. You know, center of gravity's down a little bit lower. Blah 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 blah. So, all right. So that's that. There's the Slash. Plastic axles. So. Let's see if we can get you a shot. You can't really see. Oh, let me grab the camera. All right, here we go. We got the Valenian motor with the VXL 3S. And like I said, onboard audio up here. We got to read about that. And this slash has the Traxxas's new battery hold down. So over here, what you do is you just pull up on this piece and push out on this piece. So, and that's how it comes out. That's that. It'll come out like that. Nickel metal. And dang, you know what stinks is I'm gonna have to use my foam adapters because I'm running the 4003S Traxxas batteries, and they're a little smaller than this because my Stampede came with the 7-cell, but the last 7th cell was stacked on top, not on the end, so it's gonna be a little different. So let me go grab those and we'll figure that out. Alright, we're back, YouTube. Sorry about that. Alright, yeah, my 4000 does not fit in there, and the foam that came with it is it's a little, I'm just not gonna worry about it for right now. I'm just gonna do a little test run for my YouTube people. So there are the batteries in. Let's see, make sure everything's set. Steering 12, not 12. Okay, I'm gonna run and grab some batteries for my controller. And then I'll be back. Alright, batteries in the controller. Controller's on. And we're gonna plug this puppy up for the first time. Yeah. The slash 4x4 VXL. There we go. She is on, and she's on LiPo, so we have to change it over. You just wait till it turns on, hold this button down, you'll hear an audio after about 10 to 12 seconds. And should be coming. Boom, you're in LiPo, now your light changes green, just in case you needed to know how to do that. Sorry, I just had a text. Alright, so they're saying on the remote, if you have this rocker switch, you go up, that is the onboard audio. So let's get the lid and plug it in and see what it sounds like. Okay, trying to see how it goes on. Okay, so that's plugged in. Let's see if it works. So if you put it up, it says park, and then down is drive. So with it's up, I should just be able to rev the engine. Okay, that's insanely loud. Insanely loud. Okay, sorry. You have to watch your ears. It's very, very loud. It can get very loud. There's a volume button right on there. I turned it up. I turned it up a little bit too loud, maybe. Okay, there it is. Let's see if we can't maybe take it for a little ride.
so after, if you don't touch the throttle for a certain amount of time, it shuts down. Sorry, I've never had a slash before. I don't know which way the pins go through. They go through sideways. Traxxas sticker coming off. Alright. Sorry. But you know how it goes. Things happen. Alright. We're getting up to 10 minutes on the video, so I'll just do a quick run in here in the house, and then we'll be good. Let me start my engine up. Sorry, I bumped the camera. Okay, so there you have it. Slash. EXL. Sorry, just adjusting my steering there for a little momento. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. There you go. Thanks for watching.